What's up, guys? Welcome to a new feature I'm going to start doing on Off-Road Dan. Sponsored Sunday. So on Sundays I'll post videos of sponsored gear, so this is a sponsored video. Right now KemiMoto sent me and John these really cool drink holders like this, and you could put them here, something like that, or maybe you have a pasture, you could put them like this. So anyways, we're gonna get into this and I'm gonna do a quick little install, but first I'm gonna go through what's in the box. So first up, we have the actual drink holder itself in the box. Pretty easy stuff. They made it really simple. It's really good quality to use. A little screw here to change the width of it for like each bottles and stuff, if you have a water bottle or a can or whatever. Then in the box you actually have the clamp that clamps onto the bars like so, and it actually comes with a little nice Allen key, so you don't need any of your own tools to do this. A screw and a little piece of rubber to put in between the clamp like so, so it protects metal on your bike. So it's literally just pretty much one screw to this installation. It also comes with a set of instructions. So guys, I'm just gonna do it right here on this bar. I had it set up for the passenger just because it's gonna be a lot easier to see here than up here. So first things first, take your little rubber piece and slide it in here. It almost fits in perfect. You see how it fits in the grooves? And slide it in your bar and screw down. And take your actual drink holder, your screw, and Allen key, and the clamp will actually fit in to this little gear shape here and keep it stable. Might have to turn it a little bit, but like that. Then I found it easier to actually extend it open just to get your hand in for the screw. So then you can just look around and you'll see where the screw goes in. And you just start it with your fingers. And take your Allen key and go through the front of the holder and just screw her in. And I like to have a snug fit instead of over tightening it, because then you might be able to strip the screw. And take your drink, slide it open, slide in, close, and tighten it up from the bottom. And there you have it. Well guys, so that's a little video for KemiMoto there. Really appreciate sending this stuff out, guys. Like, really appreciate it. It's really cool stuff, especially companies reaching out to us to do this stuff. So this is a sponsored video again, and if we didn't like the product, I'd tell you guys, this is actually a really good quality, awesome product. Check them out. Links are in the description if you want to pick up a drink holder. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and check them out. See you on the next one.